Hello, Chet Porter with MarineMax in Savannah. Just want to take a moment to show you this 2024 215 Scout that we just got in. This boat has a really neat feature in the bow. This big storage compartment. It could be a fish box or cooler, whatever you want to use it for. It does drain overboard. You have these two forward-facing seats in the bow with removable rest here if you wanted to take the cushions out and use for fishing. On either side, port and starboard, you have storage compartments here, and then also access to your anchor compartment, which is up here in the bow. This boat is optioned with a trolling motor plug, and then also the option of a rod holder, can holder combination. So that's a nice feature up here. You have separate speakers and a really nice area. This is also lockable too, so it gives you the opportunity if you went somewhere to keep any valuable goods that you want to store down in the console here. So moving up to the helm, this one has the Lumar wheel. It's adjustable with the nice knob here, which is very good control around the dock. The new Sea-Star Dometic trim tabs are on this model, so very easy to operate if you're not used to having trim tabs on a boat. This boat has the Garmin GPS, the Mercury Vessel View, and your VHF is mounted here, but it's actually, you can pull the screen up in your Garmin and control where you are with that. This is outfitted with J&L audio and Fusion stereo head. All your switches for this year are all waterproof and light up on and off when you turn them on. You have USB connectors here for charging. The helm seats has these flip up thigh rests, so you can stand and lean against it, or you can use it the conventional way in a nice footrest here. Moving back to the stern, you have a bench seat that folds out, giving you plenty of room to move your legs. You can also put it up for fishing room out the back of the boat, so that's nice. This boat's optioned with a live well here and a raw water washdown. We've upgraded this boat to the Yeti cooler, and then when you're seated here, you have three can holders, cup holders behind you, and nice rod holders here, as well as on top of the hardtop. This model has an Elite package, which includes the hardtop, and you have LED lights fore and aft on top of the hardtop for a nighttime operation. We power this boat with a 200 Mercury Verado, which is a nice engine for this boat. It's upgraded over the 150, and this boat is in the shark gray, and then we have the teak across the transom. So very nice equipped boat. So give us a call at MarineMax Savannah, 912-897-9881. Thank you.